Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be opening up a Regidrago V Zenith box. How cool is that? I like that. There's a glitch where like all the rest of Regidragos and this Regilicki, I think, yeah. So it has 4 booster packs, 1 jumbo Regidrago V, Regidrago V normal promo card, and a Regilicki hollow, I think. Maybe it's a promo, I don't know. So let's dive into this box. Let's open it up. It's always so satisfying to see this but it's kind of hard. So yeah, it's a plus and a minus. Here we have, this is how it looks without the Pokemon cards inside and the plastic, of course. Let's put that over there and grab our stuff. Where's the, so here we have 2 packs on the right side and 2 packs on the left side and stuff like that. Yeah, we have each from on each side. It's very easy to get it out. So let's put it on the side here. Throw this away. Let's get our jumbo cord. Here we go. It looks very cool. I love how how Pokemon makes like big cards of normal versions. That's like very awesome. So here we have our, how do we get this out? Here we, let me just put this plastic away. And here we go. Here we have our Regidrago V normal card. Also the same as the big card. Let's grab a sleeve and put it in a sleeve. Here we go, put it on our pool side. On the pools and hits that we get, here's the code card. And we also have I guess it dropped, a Regilicki cord. Here we have a hollow. Let's also put it in a sleeve, because we really need to. Or they'll get damaged and won't be PSA 10 anymore. They'll be PSA 5, 9, or anything else like that. So here we opened up our cards and our jumbo card. Here we move on to our packs. Let's dive into it. Here we go. Finally opens. Here we have our code card. So here we go. Here, yep. Oh, a Radiant card. I never had a Radiant card from Zenith, I don't know why. And nothing. At least we got a Radiant card. That looks so cool. And this is the rest of the cards. Let's put this card in a sleeve, because it looks so cool. Look how good is that? I don't know why, but I love Radiant Pokemons. I like this one the most, but I also like the Charizard one. Here, our first pool. Did I tell you like the code card for this? Yeah, I showed you the code card for this pack. And we have another pack. Can I open it up or can I not? I cannot open this up, so let's just grab some scissors and quickly just cut it. How does it not get the cards out? Okay, let me just hang for a second, because it's not opening at all. There here we have our code card. I'm gonna give all the code cards to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it in the front. Physics. Boom, boom, boom. Wooloo. Nice shinks right there. Ooh, and ooh, shiny shinks. And nothing? How do we get nothing out of Crown Zenith? We have to get something at least. I somehow opened this up. How do I open this pack up? Here we have a Sword and Shield Crown Zenith code card. Get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I spoiled the cards right there. Let's just Grass Energy, Ultra Ball. Here we go. Luxio, Switch, Execute, Love Disc, Emogla. There's nothing. Yeah, Mana. Signed card. Nice. And nothing. At least we got a signed card, which is so cool. I don't know who's it's signed by, but it's a Nessa card. Put it in the sleeve because it's a signed card. Oh, how do I am not getting anything? Last pack magic. I want to get some magic out of this pack because nothing. We got nothing, only a Radiance card. That's all we got. Let's just open this really quickly because we're not getting any luck. Please just give us some luck. Galarian Meow. The code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just grab it real quick. Physics. Rescue Center. Galarian Meow. Energy Retrieval. Shinx. And EVV again. We got this so many times, already like 3 times in our videos. When I opened up the regular Licky, I think, booster box, we got the same card. Well, that wasn't a good journey. You only got 1, 2, 3 pulls. 3 pulls. I would never think we would get this out of Crown Zenith. Best set in the whole entire Sword and Shield. We can get cards out of every single pack while we get nothing. Why nothing? Why nothing? Oh, that's so bad. Well, see ya in the next video. Goodbye.